What's the meaning of bowel movement? Bowel movement. Bowel movement.
Bowel movement. Bowel movement. Bowel movement refers to the passage of stool or feces from the body through the rectum and anus. It is a natural process that helps eliminate waste products and other indigestible materials from the digestive system. Normally, bowel movements are solid but soft, and should be easy to pass without discomfort. The color, texture, and frequency of bowel movements can vary depending on several factors, including diet, hydration, exercise, and overall health. Any significant changes in bowel movements, such as increased frequency or loose stools, should be discussed with a healthcare provider, as they may indicate an underlying health issue.